Hi, this is Jordan over at MarineMax Palm Beach, and I'm standing behind a brand new Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This is one of my favorite boats, so I'm real excited to walk you through it. Hop aboard. First thing you'll notice off the back is you got triple 350 Verados, and these are a joystick boat, which makes this boat incredibly easy to dock, even at 38 foot. So when you walk into the cockpit here, you'll notice you got a lot of open room for fishing, a lot of rod holders, but one of the things with whalers that they really focus on is versatility. So you'll notice you've got a rear-facing bench seat here, which is real comfortable, and this flips out into a nice teak top table. And then on the starboard side, you've got another fold-down bench seat, and then one more here across the transom. So it really opens this boat up and makes it a lot more social if you're pleasure cruising or entertaining. There's also two teak tables that pop up here, so if you're having lunch, it definitely makes it real comfortable. Got a nice dive door, and across your transom seat is your ladder for the dive door. Whaler really tries to focus on point of use storage. So you're going to use the ladder here, store it right there. So makes that real nice. Moving forward to the helm, you'll notice that this boat is very nicely equipped. You got twin 16-inch Ray Marines, the joystick. This boat's equipped with a Seakeeper as well. And this is a huge 38-foot center console, but still has a nice sized cabin in there. With a separate head too, which is real nice, especially for this size boat. Alright, if you'll follow me up to the bow. Again, with the focus on versatility, this boat's got a lot of nice spots where you can lay out both your port and starboard. Cushions flip up here to give you nice forward-facing seating, which is very comfortable underway. You got nice armrests that flip down too on this forward lounger that also opens up with an incredible amount of storage. This boat's definitely one you gotta come see in person, so whenever you get a chance, please stop by. My name's Jordan again. I'll be happy to go through it with you. Thanks.